Okay, so yesterday I caught a swarm of bees. I have my friend Les here. He's helping me. I gotta put my glove. You wanna hold this really quick? It's live. It's live. Gotta put my glove back on. So I wanted to show. They have two. Okay. So I caught this, and then Les is helping me, and then he's helping me get them into this hive box. And if you notice, they're doing a dance, deciding to move in. That is the coolest thing. They're going in. This is a huge hive. I mean, a huge swarm.
Yeah.
See, they're doing it more and more. I don't want to squish this guy's plant here. It's really kind of amazing that's how they communicate.
Yeah.
They have a round dance and a waggle dance. No, I really appreciate you helping me, though. It means a lot. These are the most beautifulest animals in the world. So, just come back about 1 o'clock and see. If they've decided to go in. See, that one's doing it. Right there. They're doing the round dance. They're going around each other. That is the coolest thing. And then they'll all start doing it. Something's going on. They're doing it down there. Now they're doing it. They're more and more doing it. You notice that?
Yeah.
So that maybe the scout came back, went in this hive box, talked to the queen. They've had a committee, and now the telephone the telephone line is going through each one. Hey, we've decided. Hey, we're going in. What was that?
Are you going to rescue those guys?
Yeah, we're doing it right now.
What are you doing? Where are you putting
Oops. Well, right now, you're fine right there. Right, ouch. I'm taping their waggle dance.
Oh, okay.
They're deciding whether to go in.
Oh!
And so we don't want to shake them because they might go, well, we don't want to go in, you know?
So what, are they looking for a new home? Is that why they did this?
Well, we're trying to get them in, coax them
They
in
were
here.
swarming. That they ended up on this tree right here. And she came over yesterday and got them into the tub, but that's not a suitable place.
That was just,
So we're trying to get them to move into the box.
yeah, I just was just improvising. And I knew to get the box, but I didn't have a box available, so I used the closest best thing, which was a tub.
Well, I came out and seen it yesterday. I thought, well, that was clever.
And they were going to kill them with kerosene. I was like, They would have answered to me.
Oh no.
They might be here for another day.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're trying to get them in. I'm gonna come back periodically throughout the day and check. He's gonna help me. But I'm taping their waggle dance. They have 2 dances, round and waggle, and that's how they talk.
Oh really?
That's how they communicate. And so I'm trying to, like, in my mind, wonder if they've already talked to the queen and
Oh,
they've
okay.
decided that they're gonna go in.
Oh, I see. I see.
It's the coolest thing. People don't realize how cool these little guys are.
Yeah, I think they're cool too.
Right?
I was a little freaked out when they were circling yesterday, but
Right.
When
They're not a threat.
when they swarm, they've left the original hive and they get loaded up on honey, so they're more docile. They won't tend to sting unless you squish them or really get them mad.
yeah, that's
But right now you could walk right up there. That probably wouldn't bother you.
that is so cool.
I know, right?
Yes, I'm so glad they didn't kill them.
I know,
I
right?
wasn't out here when that conversation was going on, or I would have argued with them.
Yeah, I guess
They're
they.
called beekeeper, man. They'll come get them.
Yeah, I guess they tried to call the Willamette Valley Bee Association, but nobody got back to them. I guess it was a holiday or whatever. And then Barb Newby, that's the mom, and she goes, "I know a girl that can come get them." And they're like, "Yeah, right, you know." And here I come to save the day.
Right?
Yeah,
I hope they choose to go home with you.
yes, right.
You don't happen to have a cardboard box or something in the trash?
I bet I do.
Big one?
Yeah.
Had it open. We use it for a sun shield.
Yeah. Cool. I know, here I am all going live with this. Might as well educate people, I guess. Don't use pesticides.
To the specs, they were putting their wax up, build up there already.
Oh, yeah. So maybe shake them off into the box?
Well, might have to eventually, but I'm thinking the sun is probably going to drive them out of this. This thing's probably going to start getting warm.
And they are going in.
They will, if we had a bee brush, you could start gently pruning off the chunk of them.
Yeah. See, I could sit here all day. I could sit here all day and watch them. Oh. Less. They're so beautiful. As it drops. Where is it? I love bees. I'm trying to... They're in a spot...
Oh,
Yeah.
Oh, we don't
Yeah.
need to, we're going to open it up.
Oh, see, now there's... Uh-oh. Shoot. I think we're going to have to shake them off into the box. I think they're starting to swarm again. What was that?
Yep.
They're starting to swarm again. Did you hear that? Shake them off really quick into the box. You guys hear that? Answer yes or no. Do you hear that? They're starting to swarm again. We got to get them. And
We're getting,
they might be getting hot. These guys. I don't want to lose these guys. Yep, they're going. They're swarming. Ah. You want to get them? Open the box and.
where's your tiny box that you had? Little micro mini. You didn't bring it back with you?
Micro mini.
And that one over there. If you can get,
Oh, this. Oh, okay.
you can find the queen. It'd be hard to do, you know.
Rat. Yeah, they're going. What do we do? You want this?
Well, I'm going to try to find the queen, but that's probably not going to be happening now.
You want to open it up and shake it?
Well, there's the drum.
Crap.
There's no telling where she's at now, unless you spot her.
No, I think she might be in there.
Well,
Freaking hell, where is she? Where she could be. You gotta go follow him.
about all you can do is just keep watching.
And my hair has fallen down.
Yeah, they left a little box too. Try to.
There's some left.
They're up and over top of the apartment.
Do you guys see that? They're swarmed. Shit.
All you can do now is just try to follow them, but I can't see it.
They're back over here. Yep, they're right. What?
Here, Joyce, now.
Yeah, they've swarmed on me.
Joyce.
Do you guys see them? No, they're not a danger. They're not a danger. They're just swarming.
Oh, okay.
They're not going to attack us. They're just trying to find a place. Crap. They've gone back over here. Crap. They're off over those trees right there. Take my suit off. Son of a bitch. Oh, they're on that tree right there. They're on that tree. Right over there. They're right on that tree. In that person's backyard.
What? The aspen?
Yeah, whatever tree that, I don't know.
The white aspen?
Yeah. You gonna knock on their door? Yeah, you see them? They're
Where?
I think they've landed on that tree.
Down low, up high? Or
No,
where?
in the middle.
The left tree or the right one?
See that blue tarp in the middle right there?
Yeah.
Straight up. In that tree right there. I think it's a pear tree or something. They're right there.
Oh, up at the top?
Mm-hmm. You want to go over there?
Well,
Trying to find the swarm here. On your little Dickens.
Come on, you son of a bitch. Open up. I don't want the damn video around.
Well, had a hive, or had a swarm. Thought we were, and then they decided to up and swarm right in the middle of catching them. So I'm like, crap. All in the day of a beekeeper. Yay. So, yeah, could they have settled down in that one branch?
I don't know.
I'm gonna drive over there. Unless you wanna. What was that?
I was trying to get a picture and then zoom it in, but the freaking goddamn thing won't zoom in. You son of a bitch.
Sorry for his language.
Go to church and pray for me.
He's just as mad as I am. I'm laughing because I'm like, oh my gosh. So, yeah, there.
Come on, you. Shit.
Again, language.
Yeah.
I know I'm trying to watch my life. But I got it on video.
Finally.
That was the coolest thing. That was this. Oh my god, I can't believe how cool that was. And it happened, what, in 30 seconds? Less than a minute? I got it all on video. Yay! Well, live. It'll be on video.
Come on, you damn thing, go.
But I want, because they're over there somewhere. Do you want to follow me?
The thing is too damn blurry to...
Yeah, let's go. Let's go over there. Okay, so I'm going to end this, but I'm going to go find them. And, yeah. So, kind of like freaked out right now. Well, not freaked out. I'm just kind of like, I can't believe I just lost. Oh. And there's some still here. And I probably look like crap. But the queen went with. So I'm going to go find them. So you want to go follow me? It's just probably around that street right over there. Because I saw them swarm. And I saw them go on that tree right there.
I couldn't follow him, not with this damn screen on my face.
Oh, okay. So you want to...
Well,
What do we do?
yeah,
I know where they are.
leave it there for now. Let's go see if you can get access to the
Okay.
thing.
Alrighty. Well, I'm going to end this, but I will come back in a little bit. So just, yeah. Alrighty.